Hi, my name is Flora Coaster. In this short recording, I will show you on how to use the string formula to build an automatic report in Microsoft Excel. This is an interactive regression analysis model that I have created. This report will automatically interpret the regression Linus output on this tab. This Linus function in the box is a built-in formula in the Microsoft Excel. In this sample report, I was trying to find the equation to estimate total construction costs for elementary school based on the cost data published in the Virginia Department of Education website. What's shown here is the regression line type 1 on which beta set at 0. This is the equations for total school construction cost if it is estimated based on the gross floor area as the first variable and the school capacity as the second variable. Here is the hypothesis test for the relationship between this variable and the cost data. And the second part is the hypothesis for predictors coefficients. In this case, the predictors are building gross floor area and the school capacity. And the last section is the type 1 backtest result against the same dataset. I have designed this flexible backtest parameter to assess the accuracy of the regression line in the layman term. In this box, I will eventually show you how to use the string formula to automatically interpret some of the backtest result. Section B is the same automatic report for equation type 2, where beta is calculated normally. Let me show you how this report will interact when the dataset changes. Let me first split the screen. Therefore, we can see the changes instantly on the left when we change the data on the right. Let's say we are going to eliminate the second variable since the hypothesis is not satisfactory to meet the 95% confidence level. Here's the new cost estimate for school constructions based on the CPI adjusted cost data. Let's try another data set. Let's say we're going to estimate the site development cost based on the gross floor area. Then what if we add another predictors, say the school capacity? So you can see how the report changes automatically. Next, what about if we change it to the total school construction cost based on the raw data? So you can see that apparently based on the raw data, we have a weaker relationship. Let's try another one, say building costs based on the raw data. Is that it's just a click rather than cut and paste. Hope what I have demonstrated in this interactive linear regression model will give you some idea on how powerful string formula can be. With the automatic report, you will be able to focus more on the data analysis rather than typing report or cut and paste effort. It is efficient and effective. Now, let me show you the string formula applied for this report. This heading is just a simple text combination. The equation is a little more complex with the combination of if statement and text converting formula. Meanwhile, the hypothesis report is complex enough because I did not break down the if statement and the statistical test formula. If you are not comfortable doing it in the same cell altogether, you can actually do it in another spreadsheet step by step and then simply combine each step into this cell using string formula. If you break it down, it will be easier to troubleshoot the error of complex report with multiple variables. First of all, you need to identify which of the wordings are variables, which are constant. Then determine the step as deemed necessary according to the complexity of the formula. At the end of this recording, I will give you an example to use string formula in building an automatic report for some of the backtest results as mentioned earlier.